Understanding, be out of the loop. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, be out of the loop. If you've ever felt like you're not in the know or missing out on important information, this phrase is especially relevant to you. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it confidently in your daily conversations. Be out of the loop refers to not being informed about something or not being part of a group that shares certain knowledge or information. It implies a lack of awareness about what's happening, often leading to feeling excluded or disconnected from the main conversation or activities. While the exact origins of "be out of the loop" are not clear, it is believed to have emerged from workplace and social settings. The phrase uses the metaphor of a loop to represent being part of an inner circle or group that is privy to specific information or decisions. To be out of this loop means you're outside this circle, thus not privy to the same information. To better understand how to use "be out of the loop," let's look at some examples. In a workplace setting, since I was on vacation last week, I'm a bit out of the loop. Can someone update me on the project's progress? Among friends, I didn't know they were dating. I feel so out of the loop. In a family context, we've been so busy with the new baby, we're completely out of the loop on the latest movies. Feeling out of the loop can be uncomfortable, but there are ways to reconnect. Here are some tips. Ask questions. Show your interest and ask for updates from those in the know. Stay engaged. Participate in conversations, meetings, and social events to stay informed. Use technology. Join relevant email chains, social media groups, or messaging apps where information is shared. Understanding and using the phrase, "be out of the loop," can help you navigate social and professional settings more effectively. Remember, it's normal to feel out of the loop sometimes, but with proactive communication, you can quickly get back in the swing of things. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more connected and informed in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.